We are here at the train station. Hi guys, good morning. So finally we are moving now. The train has come and we are finally moving. So we're on our way now, and yeah, let's go have some adventure now, shall we? Yay! I'm just excited, and yeah, I think we'll have fun. Climbing the rock. See, there is this really narrow path that leads to the top of the mountain, top of the rock. So see, yeah, it's very nice, but very narrow. Oh, from all that is hidden, heart content on feeling more from the I made it to the top, guys. I made it to the top. Jeez. Oh, from all